So here's what I don't want you to do for FileIO. I don't want you to be literal when it comes to the data file, meaning this is that in all the examples that we had, most of them had some type of, it was a loop. We didn't know exactly what type, meaning if it was a loop that we'd just read everything one line at a time, or is a loop that we would have to break things up into smaller components. We didn't know. It really depended on the data file. But the data file itself, even though it had a pattern, had only 6, 7 lines in it, I don't want you to think that that file is not going to change, because people get added to files every day, people get deleted from files every day, stuff like that. So I don't want you to think literal in every time you see a file, oh, there's going to be 11 lines, I'm just going to use 11. No. Think of it as a file, especially if it has a pattern, could always expand, because it can always expand very easily, as you know. So what I don't want to see, the first no-no is using a for loop to read the data. Now you're like, wait a minute, I just saw for loops. You're right. But this one's a counter. This is going from I to 9. So it's only going to go, what, 9 times? So, and they only maybe saw 9 lines in the data file. We don't want that. Yeah, the loop's going to run. It's actually going to do all the processing, right? But again, what happens if the file changes? It shrinks or gains size. We don't want an exact count to this. We want that for in file that'll do the work for us. And that in part will keep reading until we get to the end of the file. That's perfect. You didn't have to do anything. So that's why we want to avoid this. The other part is I've seen this before, is not using a for loop, but you saw a pattern. Again, it was like, what is this, seven lines here? They saw 7 lines in the file. Instead of using a for in file, they used, well, this instead. Because they only saw 7 lines. Like, oh, just do it this way. Nah, use a loop. Because again, it could expand or subtract depending on whatever happens with the application. But I should not see either one of these no-nos in your code.